In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Trello with Slack. Full 2025 guide, 5 minutes. To get started, sign into Trello and open the board you want to connect to Slack. You'll make all the changes from the board itself, so having the right board open is key. At the top of the board, look for the Power-Ups option. This is where Trello lets you extend your board with integrations. Click Power-Ups, then choose Add Power-Ups to open the directory. In the search bar, type Slack. When the Slack power-up appears, select it to open its details and then click Add. Trello will attach Slack to this specific board. Once the power-up is added, you'll see a new Slack icon appear in your board header. That icon is your control panel for sending Trello activity into Slack. Click the Slack icon, then choose Add Slack Alert. This opens a setup window where you'll pick where your updates should go. First, choose your Slack workspace, then select the specific channel that should receive notifications. Pick a channel that your team already uses for project updates so messages are useful and visible. If your workspace requires permissions, you may see a brief authorization prompt. Just follow the on-screen guidance to approve the connection. Next, choose the Trello events you want Slack to notify you about. Common options include when new cards are created, when due dates are added or changed, and when someone mentions users in comments. Think about what your team actually needs to see to move work forward. For example, due date changes are great for time-sensitive projects, while new card alerts can help with triage. If you prefer fewer pings, start with just the highest impact events and expand later. When your selections look good, click Done to save the alert. That's it. The integration is live. From now on, Trello will push the events you selected into the Slack channel you chose, keeping everyone aligned without constantly checking the board. A few quick tips to make this work smoothly. Choose a focused channel to avoid flooding general chat, and keep alerts specific to the board's purpose. You can repeat this process on other boards or create additional alerts for different channels if your team works across multiple projects. And if you ever need to adjust what's being sent, return to the Slack icon on the board header to review or refine your alert settings. You've successfully connected Trello with Slack and set up actionable alerts that keep your team in the loop.